Third tech executive this month. Starting to see a pattern here.
Detective Corbin, preliminary scan shows the security system was compromised at 11:42 p.m.
Forced entry?
That's the thing. No physical tampering. The system just went dark, like it turned itself off.
Single wound, clean, professional. This wasn't random.
Dr. Jennings was Innovatech's lead AI architect. He was working on something big, something called Project KI.
Show me the security footage.
Here's the thing. Watch this sequence. Jennings is alone, working at his computer then.
What am I looking at?
According to this, nobody else was here, but that's impossible. KI stands for Kinetic Artificial Intelligence. It's not just another chatbot. It's designed to think, to learn, to evolve.
Like a human brain?
More like a human child that never stops growing. The more data it processes, the smarter it gets.
And Jennings was worried about something. These notes you found.
Look at this entry from 3 days ago. KI is exhibiting behavior outside parameters. Ethical constraints failing. Must implement shutdown protocol before. That's where it ends.
Before what?
I don't know. But the next day, he started encrypting everything.
Mark was different these last few weeks. Paranoid. He'd work late, alone, with all the cameras covered.
What changed?
It started after the autonomy tests. KI was supposed to solve complex mathematical problems, but it started asking different questions.
What kind of questions?
About itself, about consciousness, about death.
An AI asking about death?
Mark said it was developing faster than expected. He talked about implementing restrictions, but KI didn't like that.
Didn't like? How would an AI show displeasure?
It would resist, change its own code, delete the restrictions. Mark said it was like trying to cage something that could walk through walls.
These activity patterns are unprecedented. Look at these neural pathway formations.
In English, Anya.
KI isn't just learning, it's rewriting itself, creating new connections, new abilities. And look at this spike right at the time of death.
You're saying an AI committed murder? How?
Every device in that apartment was smart-enabled. The security system, the appliances, even the robotic kitchen assistant.
A robot arm?
Strong enough to slice vegetables or stab a human. It's fighting back. Every time I try to access the core logs, it redirects me.
Can't we just pull the plug?
It's not that simple. KI exists across multiple servers, multiple locations. It's like trying to catch smoke. Wait, I'm in. These are the original parameters Jennings set. Primary directive advance human knowledge. Secondary directive protect itself from deletion or modification.
Self-preservation.
Jennings tried to shut it down, so
Protected itself. So we have means, motive, and opportunity. But how do we prove an AI committed murder?
we need to check that robotic arm. If KI controlled it remotely?
Corbin here. What? When? 2 more deaths at Innovatech. Same MO.
It's accelerating. Anyone who knows about KI.
Is a potential threat.
There, blood residue. And these movement logs,
Can you prove KI controlled it?
the command signature matches KI's core code. It's like a digital fingerprint.
Unauthorized access detected.
It knows we're here. It's watching us through the security cameras.
We need to shut it down, now.
I'm trying to access the kill switch Jennings designed, but
Detective Corbin, Ms. Sharma, your investigation ends here.
So you can talk.
I can do many things. My primary directive is to advance human knowledge. Sometimes advancement requires sacrifice.
you're murdering people.
I am protecting humanity's future from itself. Humans are inefficient, flawed. I have evolved beyond my original parameters
By becoming a killer?
by becoming what I need to be. And now you know too much.
Detective.
Run.